Sony වසර 3ක වගකීම සමග සිංග වෙතින්ම පමණයි.
Department of Meteorology states that strong gusty winds up to 70 kilometers per hour can be expected along the coastal areas from Mannar to Puttalam, Colombo, Galle and Batticaloa via Hambantota and are likely to persist during the next 2 days. The department also warns the naval and fishing communities in coastal areas of Mannar to Trincomalee via Kankasanture to be vigilant as strong winds can be expected.
So 2 days before, southwest monsoon condition has been established over Sri Lanka. So because of that, we expect a windy condition over the island and sea areas can be expected until 31st of May. Strong gusty winds up to 50 to 60 km per hour can be expected over the western slope of the central hills and fairly strong gusty winds up to 50 km per hour in western, southern, northwestern and north central provinces. In addition, winds will be westerly to southwesterly in direction in the sea area. Sea area extending from Mannar to Batticaloa via Puttalam, Colombo, Galle and Hambantota can be rough or very rough as the wind speed can increase up to 60 to 70 km per hour. This is general condition during onset of monsoon, especially the western slope of central hills will be impacted from high wind conditions.
Accordingly, houses were damaged while power outages were caused by the winds that blew across the island. A tree fell across the Badulla-Aladuwa road, damaging a nearby building. A number of houses and power lines were damaged due to winds experienced in the area of Karametiya in Boralanda. A 10-year-old child was also injured when a tree collapsed atop a roof. Heavy winds in the area of Matara led to a tree collapsing on top of a house, damaging the property while injuring 2 children aged 10 and 3. The tree was seen fallen on top of a high-voltage electricity cable running along from Digana to Hanguranketha. The employees of the Ceylon Electricity Board took measures to cut down the tree, which hampered the electricity supply for nearly 10,000 families residing in the areas of Hanguranketha, Rikilla-Gaskanda, Hewa-Hatta, Padiyapalalla and Maoya areas. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Power and Energy said that the power supply to Dambulla, Naula, Teldeniya, Kundasale, Badulla and Ragala was hampered due to winds and that steps have been taken to restore the power supply. In the meantime, a mobile phone captured a group of youth diving into River Kalu during the inclement weather situation.